Hey friends, Chef Wainaina here. Make chicken and potatoes this way for a delicious meal on any day of the week. With just a few ingredients available in your pantry, this is a must-try recipe in any kitchen. Before I start, let me take this opportunity to welcome my new subscribers. You're so much welcome. Thank you so much for being here, for the support that you have continued to give to this channel. It's really appreciated. I share tips and ideas on how to make us better cooks in our own kitchen. Karibuni sana, that is, you are very much welcome in Swahili. For this recipe, I'm using about a pound of chicken thighs that I just removed the bones and the skin. I left some of this fat deliberately. You're just gonna add some flavor into the dish. I will also be using some potatoes, garlic, an onion, cilantro. For the spices, I have some paprika, dried thyme, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, red pepper flakes. First things first, do some knife work. Peel and slice this onion. Slice this into fairly just medium slices. Make sure they are separated. Garlic. I need a few cloves from here. Just roughly chop this garlic. That looks good. Now wash this cilantro. Roughly chop. Peel the 3 potatoes. Cut into some bite size. Maybe just like so. Now with the knife work done for the vegetables, cut this chicken into bite size. That's good enough. I just didn't want to change the cutting board. The key when you're working in the kitchen is to make sure that you're working clean. If you want, you can also put on gloves. I'll go wash my hands and wash the cutting board. Now, time to head to the stove and start cooking. Now into this preheating Pan, add cooking oil. Season this chicken, salt and pepper. Chicken into the pot and start browning. Give this chicken a turn once it's browned and just continue until all the sides are nicely browned. Start adding the spices, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, dried thyme, red pepper flakes, and paprika. Add the onions. Cook until this onion starts to soften. Once the onions have softened, remove into a container using a slotted spoon the chicken and the onions. Now straight away add the potatoes. Maybe just a touch more oil here, some salt and some pepper. Lid on. Slightly lower the heat. Now these potatoes have been cooking for about 10 minutes. I've occasionally been just opening the lid and giving them a stir. They are starting to soften. Turn the heat slightly up. Add the garlic. Some of the chopped cilantro. Now return the chicken and the onions into the pan and continue cooking until everything is cooked through. Lower the heat, a squeeze of lemon juice here. Some more cilantro, and we are done. This dish is perfectly served family style into a platter. A little bit of these delicious chicken and potatoes for me. Cilantro. Give this a bite. Potatoes, the chicken. Some of these potatoes and the onion. So what a delicious and easy to make dish on any day of the week. You can substitute the chicken thighs with the chicken breast. They will work. Just be careful with the breasts because of the drying. Other than that, this is a very good recipe that you can try. I can't wait to see what you do with it. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below what you think about this recipe. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.